At times, we may feel that our lives lack of meaning and lack of purpose, or have been filled with errors and unfulfilled dreams. However, even amidst challenges, and our narrative should contribute to the broadened human experience. Finding purpose and creating a positive narrative can be transformative. So for me, living in simplicity with the nature, spending time with my parents, especially in their older age, and burning my life with passion is my narrative. And in today's video, I'm going to share to you my life narrative. Well, gardening is a beautiful way to embrace that simplicity. It connects me with the natural world. Tending to plants, peeling the soil, and watching seeds sprout into life can be incredibly grounding. As I care for my plants, I become attentive to the present moment. The feel of the earth, the scent of the flowers, and the rhythm of the growth. So I always ensure to really spend time with my parents, especially ngayon, medyo may edad na sila. So I always make sure na nagbibigay ako ng oras sa kanila despite of being busy in life. So since ang nanay ko ay mahilig manahi, so we always have a special bonding while making hair ties, hair ribbons, and kahit mga maliliit na bubot. Basta yun yung pinagkakabalan ng nanay ko. And nandun ako para yung tingin-tingin kung paano ginagawa. At ito na rin yung form of my giving time and bondings for her.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide. Whenever you need me, I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say.
Well, always remember that simplicity is not deprivation. It's about finding essentials. So I dig my hands into my soil, nurture my plants, and let the beauty of gardening enrich my life. And of course, I don't forget to burning life with passion. So recently, I've been practicing designing some templates using Canva. Wala kasi akong talent sa arts or wala akong knowledge sa mga designs. Pero nakita ko kasi yung Canva medyo mapapadali na yung pagde-design, kaya pinag-aaralan ko siya ngayon. So gumagawa ako ng templates, which is, I think, I'll be using it as well. So, dahan-dahan ko siyang ginagawa. Hindi siya ganun kagandahan, pero at least, nasisimulan ko. Yun yung nag-a-add ng sparks sa life ko, and yun din yung parang passion ko ngayon. So, I don't have an extensive design knowledge. So, Canva is a reasonable graphic design tool which helped me to create visually appealing design. So, thanks to Canva. So, meron naman siyang yung free trial version, at saka meron naman yung na binabayaran natin for monthly. So, for me, I just use the free version. So, just to try the designing templates, etc., etc. So, I hope that I could also share you one day my creation. Well, sharing my life narrative to you today becomes a tool for my self-reflection and self-growth. It allows me to navigate the complexities of my inner world and find meaning in my journey. So, time and again, this is Sasuka. Of course, I'm not an expert, but I just want to share.